Hello, welcome to the behind the scenes at VUX World at Voice22, presented by Core AI, and I'm joined by Core AI's Michael Kropidlowski right now. Michael, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. It's been a great event. So
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you for making it happen for us, and thank you for your support. It's been absolutely amazing. Been fantastic.
Yeah, absolutely. We talked to so many great people. I mean, customers, prospects, and just attending other sessions and hearing what everybody has to say about their journey with conversational AI. Very exciting.
Nice. And the Core AI merch, which is looking pretty strong.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, we've had lots of people stop by the booth and get some of our swag, so they've enjoyed that as well.
Nice.
Yeah.
Tell us a bit about Core AI for those people who are maybe not quite familiar.
Sure, yes. So we started in 2014 and provide a conversational AI platform that allows company to automate both customer and employee experiences, leveraging conversational AI, right? And we do that through machine learning and multiple NLU, NLP processing. It's our proprietary software that does that. And yeah, we've had great success with our customers, right? Helping them do more and provide really great automated experiences for their employees and their customers. Yeah.
Nice. So yesterday we heard from Florida Blue.
Yep.
Fantastic use case. Do you want to share a little bit about the high-level kind of overview of how Florida Blue are utilizing?
They're doing so many great things, and they've got multiple phases of their journey. But they started essentially with the use case of people needing replacement insurance ID cards, and all of those requests were going through to live agents. So what they couldn't fulfill in their traditional IVR, they could order them, but they couldn't give them an immediate digital ID card. And so they were going through and trying to figure out with agents, how do I get to my doctor, my provider, when I don't have my card, right? So it became something that was quite an issue. So we worked with them on that use case, provided the conversational AI capability to get their ID card and then send them immediately or make available immediately to them a digital version, right? So they still will get a proper ID card in the mail, but then they get that digital version immediately on their phone so that they can get with their doctor or provider.
Nice.
Yeah.
And when so it was Daniela Doherty that was there joining me and Raj on stage, your CEO, and she mentioned that the process that they had before was really cumbersome, really kind of clunky and stuff like that.
Yep.
Quite often we see conversational AI being put on the front end of an existing process or service, for want of a better word.
Sure.
But Core AI and Florida Blue ended up actually doing a lot of work to improve that service, redefine it, if you like.
Yes.
How are you seeing the kind of in the market right now with your clients and something like that? How many of your clients are looking to really do kind of like what Florida Blue have done and be really more transformative in terms of the business process versus those that are looking to put a conversational front end onto what currently exists, if that makes sense?
Yeah, I think the key is what you're trying to do is not deflect for deflect state, just trying to not talk to people. What you're trying to do is give them a better experience, maybe be something that's more efficient, takes less time, that it can be done more efficiently than waiting to talk to someone live, right? So in the case of Florida Blue, they have 1,200 plus requests a day that are going through the conversational AI platform. And what that's done is allowed them to focus or have their agents focus more on being the problem solvers rather than, sort of the order takers for new ID cards, right? So that's really important. I think the other thing, besides Florida Blue is, what is the containment rate for those, right? Florida Blue talked about 93, I think it was, percent containment rate. And when they surveyed the customers, it was in the upper 90s of their satisfaction with it. So other companies will look at this as well and, use them as an example, but then also look at what are some other things that we can do besides, some of these more simple use cases. Could we get this multimodal where maybe you do some voice conversational AI, but then also give chat or SMS experiences while you're in the interaction through voice, right? So it becomes this totally immersive, like, yes, I need a new replacement card. I got my digital version on my phone as I'm going through the process. So all of that's happening at the same time. Or how do you, through certain use cases, transition between digital agents or digital employees like conversational AI, intelligent assistants, and humans, right? I think of a use case often, or I've talked about this before, where somebody goes online, they fill out a form for a mortgage to purchase a new home. Do I qualify? They actually then get connected with an agent who says, yes, okay, you filled all this information out online. Yes, you qualify. So now I'm going to hand you off to, Mort, our digital, virtual assistant, who can help you with all the things that you need to gather for underwriting, right? So they can keep the process going all the way through till closing. So that's a great example where companies are starting to think about, like, how do I do a mix all the way through a process of both human and digital employees.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
I imagine a lot of your kind of earlier work was all around kind of educating your clients about the reality of what's possible.
Yes.
It seems, I don't know if you would agree, it seems to me that the industry and awareness and knowledge of the market seems to have improved. Are you finding that you're getting more clients coming to you that already know what they want and they just want to get it done?
Yeah, I would say that for sure. I mean, the conversational AI 101, there's less and less of those people that need that information. They already know, as you said, what it is that they could, leverage the technology to their advantage, thinking about different use cases that they can really leverage this technology to do more with less. And yesterday in my presentation, I spoke about the growth rate, right, year over year is 25% projected through 2030, and that it's going to be a $40+ billion industry by 2030, and that's because people see the value and understand that it can do so much for their company, more than they can do if they were just working with their human employees.
Yeah. Better than human. So what's some of the stuff that's really exciting you about conversational AI at the moment? Like what's the thing that's really kind of enthusing you or exciting about where things are going?
Yeah, I mean, I think, if you think about the things that you can do across industries, we're expanding our portfolio to include additional industries. So today we have our bank assist and our health assist. In the coming year, we're going to be launching additional industries. And again, what's really exciting about that is, you don't have to start from scratch. We have a platform that you can do everything yourself and start from scratch, but we're helping you get to value faster. So you get a springboard of templates and pre-trained use cases, because we know, let's just say a travel experience, that people are going to ask about a booking, ask about status, ask for post-stay billing or things like that. So we can pre-train these and help people get to value faster. I think that's really exciting. We have other things also on the employee side that we're looking to do. We have lots of customers that are saying, what about procurement? So we're thinking of Procure Assist, right? I mean, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure out these names, but the idea is there's so many use cases and so many areas within the organization or with customers that if you just think a little bit about it, conversational AI can help.
It's endless, isn't it?
Yeah.
Exciting. Well, Michael, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for your support.
Thank you.
For helping us make this happen. It's really appreciated.
Yeah, it's been a great event, so thank you very much.